Hello, in this example we are going to see deselect by options index from a multi-select drop-down. So again, this script is going to fail because I do not have an example of multi-select drop-down. That's why I marked this test as pytest.mark xfail. But I want to show you which method is doing the task, that is deselect by index, and as an argument it takes the index that we want to deselect. So let's run the program. In this case I am again running the script, although it is going to fail, I know, with not implemented error. So let's run the script. The script is running and selecting option 2. Let's see the report, and here is the not implemented error. So that's it. Thank you.